Internal Revenue Service, Crime Investigation Department. How may I help you?
Hey, I got a voicemail from you guys. I think it was sometime this morning. I'm not quite sure what it's about.
Okay, so can you confirm me the number in which you received the phone call?
Yeah, it was my cell phone. It's 209-584-2365.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now you need to confirm your name and your zip code in order to pull out your documentation, sir. So can you tell me your first name?
Yeah, first name is Michael.
Okay. Can you spell it, sir? M.
Michael.
Okay, sir. Now tell me your last name.
It's a Wallace, Wallace.
Okay. Now give me your zip code, sir.
Yeah, it's 90067.
90067. Okay, I'll repeat it again. It's Michael. Your first name and your last name is Wallace. And your zip code is 90067, correct?
Correct.
Alright, sir, just hold the line for a second. I will pull out your documentation, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for holding the line, sir. Are you there?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, sir, do you know that there is a lawsuit against you by the IRS?
A lawsuit?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because we were conducting an audit of your tax filing from the year of 2009 to 15, and between those years there is a miscalculation error in your tax filing. The W-2 form which you fill in those years is not completely done. You left some of the columns blank, which is column number 7 and column number 8. And I think you know that, sir, column number 7 is Social Security tips and column number 8 is allocated tips. So these two columns comes up with the sum of $3,780 which you owe to the IRS. This means you have to pay this penalty charge in order to cancel your arrest warrant.
I yeah, I don't make tips off anything though.
And let me tell you one more thing, sir. On the basis of the tax evasion, IRS has proclaimed and pressed four serious allegations against your name according to the federal legislation section 38 column 79. The four serious allegations are violation of federal tax regulation, violation of revenue code, theft by deception, willful misrepresentation of information to the government organization.
Well, I mean, I don't have my tax return in front of me, but I didn't fill in the tips section because I don't make tips at my job. I'm salaried.
Well, sir, I think your tax is paid by your CPA, sir. Am I correct?
Well, yeah, I use TurboTax.
Yes, sir. Exactly right, sir. The reason IRS is taking the legal steps against you is because there are issues with your tax filing. The amount which IRS audit department has calculated is actually more than the amount which you paid through your CPA or accountant. That means there is a difference which you owe to the IRS department and the federal government, assuming that you have tried to defraud and cheat IRS.
Well, A, I haven't tried to defraud and cheat the IRS, and B, we just didn't fill it out because I don't make tips. It's zero because I'd had no tips.
Okay, so just hold the line for a second. I will recheck your file again, sir. Okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, I have rechecked your file, sir, and you're right, sir. What you're saying, sir. So I think you have to pay for the column number 8, which is allocated tips, sir, which is $1,500, sir, in order to cancel your arrest warrant. So that's the reason, sir. IRS will mark a lien on your assets, including your car, house, and all your known bank accounts will be frozen and confiscated. The moment we disconnect this call, your state ID, federal ID, driving license, passport, debit card, credit card, checkbook, and bank account will suspend it for next 5 year. IRS will be filing a loan on all your official assets to recover the outstanding taxes and lawsuit amount. All your wages and benefits will be frozen by informing your employer and the government bodies that you are affiliated with any existing payment plan with the IRS will be terminated under Section 30 AFIR code.
Yeah, I still don't understand the allocated tips part. How much did you say was due?
It's $1,500. In order to cancel your arrest warrant, you have to pay this penalty charge, sir. So that's the reason why, sir, I'm giving you this final notice call, just to know that, sir, whether you want to resolve this matter or you just want to take a chance in the courthouse with $10,000, your penalty charge, and 3 years imprisonment.
Well, why haven't I heard about this before? If this is my final warning, I should have gotten a letter or something beforehand.
No, sir, we have tried to notify you so many times, but you was not available there to receive it or just ignoring the situation. That's the reason why there is an arrest warrant is under your name, sir, okay?
Well, I definitely wasn't ignoring the situation because I called you guys back as soon as I heard about it. How long do I have to get this taken care of?
Yes, hello?
Yeah?
Yeah, I didn't get you, sir. Can you come up again, please?
Yeah, I was saying that, I mean, I'm obviously not trying to evade you guys. I called you back as soon as I heard about this, but I'm just trying to figure out how long I have to get this taken care of. I don't know if I can come up with $1,500, right away.
Yes, the thing is that, sir, right now I'm holding your arrest warrant. So as soon you hang up or I hang up this call, your arrest warrant will be activated, and between 30 minutes you'll be getting arrested, sir.
So,
That's the reason why, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
no, go ahead, because we got to figure out how we're going to fix this.
Yes, yes. In order to cancel your arrest warrant, sir, you need to pay at least $1,500, sir. Okay?
Yeah, I mean, I have the money in the bank. It's supposed to be going to rent, but yeah, this definitely just needs to get taken care of, though. What do we do now if I'm gonna have to pay this? What do I need to do?
Well, sir, this is not your tax. This is your penalty charge. So that's why, sir, you have to pay this penalty charge through electronic tax voucher.
Okay. So do I need to go to the IRS website for that?
No, sir. If you are willing to pay this amount, then I'll transfer this call to my accounting officer, and he will talk with you, sir. Okay?
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and transfer me over to him, and we'll try to get this figured out.
That's what, sir. If you are willing to settle this case, then I will handle this to my senior officer. Okay? He will take this call and he will talk with you.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
All right, sir. Just hold the line for a second. Okay?
All right.
Thank you for your time and patience, Mr. Wallace. This is Officer Mark Thompson from the Accounts Department. How may I help you?
Hi, Mark. I guess I was sent over your way. I guess there's a $1,500 penalty that I have to pay electronically.
Yeah, it stands for EFTPS. It stands for Electrical Federal Tax Payment System.
Okay. So is that something I need to
I
go to the
believe-
IRS website for, or?
Yeah. Listen to me, Mr. Wallace. First of all, I believe one of my representative has been explained you everything. So right now, are you in this federal recorded monitor line? Are you willing to pay the outstanding amount to stop the arrest warrant by your name?
Yes, I am. That's why I'm talking to you.
Okay. There is some certain hardcore conditions you have to obey. Otherwise, you can tell me that I'm not comfortable with those with those conditions. Then I can go with the legal charges by your name. The conditions is I will tell you from first to the last. The first condition is this is a federal recorded line. So until I gave you the confirmation code of your arrest warrant, you can't disconnect the call. Is it okay?
Okay.
The second condition is, this is the matter of you and the government, so you can't disclose to anybody because all of your personal assets has been looking and checking over by the government, like your bank account, your property, your driving license, every documents. Okay.
Okay.
Number 3, you have to pay the 1500 outstanding amount to the Internal Revenue Service right now on an immediate basis to stop the arrest warrant by your name, because in the moment we'll get disconnected, I'll be releasing your arrest warrant because in front of me there is a arrest warrant by your name.
Yeah, I
So are you
understand
comfortable
that.
with the situation? Now what you have to do, first of all, let me ask you, where do you have the outstanding amount? And make sure I'm not asking or I'm not verifying or I'm not asking any of your personal assets, because it's a federal and monitor line by the Internal Revenue Service and it's authorizing by the IRS officers. So in this conversation of between you and me, you can't give me any personal details of yours, like your bank account, debit card number, credit card number, anything. The payment should be go with the EFTPS because it's the verified payment system from the Internal Revenue Service. Are you comfortable with those situations?
Yeah, I
with those
understand that.
conditions?
Yeah.
You understand it? Okay. So I'm asking you, where do you have the amount? Do you have cash or you have in your bank account?
Yeah, it's in my checking account.
Okay, so checking out. Do you have a debit card with you?
Yes, I do.
And like, can you sweep 1500 from your debit card, right?
Yeah, I've never had a problem with large transactions before, so I don't think it's going to be a problem.
Okay. So what do you have to go? What do you have to do? Internal Revenue Service has been collaboration with some of certified companies like certified store like Walls Green, Walmart, CVS, Target Store, Best Buy. So what do you have to do? You have to go one of the stores. You have to buy a card and yeah, you have to upload $1,500 with it, and you have to get a personal receipt. In that receipt, you'll get a number of 16 digit. In that 16-digit number you have to upload in irs.gov website. In that website you'll find EFTPS option. In that EFTPS option you have to upload that amount. Is it okay?
Yeah, that works.
Then when you upload the amount, you'll get a confirmation code and you'll get the confirmation code of your arrest warrant.
Okay.
But what do you have to do, Mr. Wallace? You have to leave your home right now for the Best Buy store or by the Target store. So I'm asking you, do you know the nearest Target store or nearest Best Buy store, how far it is?
Well, I heard you say Walgreens in that list. I do have a Walgreens about half a mile up the street from me. Would that one work?
Best Buy or like Target store, because in Walls Green we can't get the cards and we can't get the enough sufficient balance. We can get that, but it will be like a bit trouble and difficult.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've got a Target a couple miles away that I could get to.
And what about Best Buy?
Yeah, I'm not really sure how close Best Buy is. I haven't gone there in quite a while, but I'm sure there's one there that I could go to or here nearby.
And how far do you think the Best Buy store will be?
Probably about, I think it's maybe 4 miles away.
So okay, 4 miles, no problem. Till the time I'll be on the line with you, because it's a federal monitor and recorded line, and I have to all the recording I have to show in front of the jury members and the judge, so they will justify the arrest warrant. So what you have to do, you have to get ready and you have to move for the Best Buy store. When you reach in the parking lot, update me that sir, I reach in the parking lot, then I'll give you the further information that what you have to do.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I just checked on it. It looks like it's about 3 miles away, so it shouldn't take too long to get there.
Okay, you can leave right now.
Okay. Yeah. Let me just get my stuff together.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Listen to me, Mr. Wells. This is a federal recorded line, as I told you, so you can't mute the call, you can't mute the phone, your cell. What you have to do when you get inside the car, you can put me on a speaker mode, and you can keep your phone in the side, and you can go to the store. When you reach in the parking lot, update me that sir, I reach in the parking lot. Then I'll give you the next further information. So you can right now you can leave.
Oh, okay. All right. I will. I'll get you on speakerphone in the car and let you know when I get there.
Yeah. Drive safely.
Yeah, will do.
Don't forget it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Give me a couple minutes and I'll get there as fast as I can.
Yeah, I'm holding the line.
Okay.
But make sure.
Okay. Okay, I'm in my car. According to the GPS on my Google Maps, it says it's about 11 minutes away. So I'm gonna try to get there as fast as possible for you.
Okay, so for sure. But make sure you keep the phone open, and then keep me on, like, put me on a speaker mode, and you can drive safely.
Yep. I'm putting you on
reach
speaker
the
right now.
When you reach on the parking lot, just inform me that sir, I reach on the parking lot, then I'll give you the further information.
Okay. All right. Will do. Talk to you soon.
Mr. Wallace. Hello.
Yeah.
Are you driving your car?
Yeah, I'm stuck in traffic right now.
Really?
Yeah, why?
I feel you're playing with me, you're kidding with me, you know?
No, I just had it on mute because my car's an old piece of crap and it's really loud.
And I told you don't put me on mute because it's a federal recorded line, so...
I don't understand what a federal recorded line has to do with putting you on mute.
Because in the mute, I won't get any information, or like, it's a recorded line. I have to show the recording in front of the jury members, so don't put me on mute. You can keep, as I told you, you can keep the line open.
Okay, that's fine.
Now you drive the car.
Okay. Officer?
I'm there, sir.
Hey, yeah, I'm just pulling into the parking lot here. What did you need me to do?
Now you listen to me very carefully. What do you have to do?
Okay.
You have to go to the store and you have to purchase a Best Buy card, and you have to upload $1,500 on that card. And make sure you don't have to forget the receipt. But in that receipt, you'll get a digit numbers. And let me tell you one thing: when you're going inside the store, keep the phone in your pocket, but don't make it mute, because I have to. It's all been recording, and what you're telling and what you're like, how much you're uploading, I can hear. And they will ask you, if the cashier asks you like, for what reason you're purchasing this card, then you can tell there is two options. If you tell like that for IRS, then it's a commercial issue, they will charge you 20 to 32%. And if you tell for your personal use, they won't charge you a single dollar, a single cent they won't charge you. So what you have to do now, you keep the phone in your pocket, you go to the store, you purchase a Best Buy card, you upload $1,500 on it, you come to the car and update me, sir, I purchased the car, I upload the money on that, and then I'll give you the further information.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay, so
Okay.
a Best
Till the
Buy
time
card
I'm
for
holding the
personal
line,
use.
and yeah.
Okay.
Like if they tell you for what reason, yeah, you can tell any personal excuse or whatever.
Oh, okay. All right. I will.
Till the time I'm holding the line, and I'm just recording the line.
Yep. I'll let you know as soon as I'm done here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, are you there?
Yes, Mr. Wallace.
Okay, so I got the cards. Unfortunately, the bank wouldn't let me do a transaction that large. I thought they would, but the lady helped me out,
Okay.
and what we did instead is we got 2 cards, each one that's $750. Is that gonna work?
Okay, no problem. Do you got the receipt with you?
Yeah, I have the receipt and both the cards here.
Okay. So back of that card, there can you see a silver scratch panel?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can scratch it, but make sure you scratch gently, and you
Okay.
have to verify the 16-digit codes with me.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, I've almost got the. Yeah, okay. I've got both of them here.
Yeah. I'm ready.
You said I needed to enter these into the irs.gov website?
Yeah. First you have to verify me, then I'll give you the confirmation code, and you have to put the confirmation code in the website irs.gov in the option of EFTPS. First you verify the codes.
Oh, I thought that I couldn't tell you any financial information because it was a federally recorded
It's not
call.
financial information, sir. Yeah, it's a federal recorded call. As I told you, you have to verify those codes. I'm not taking the codes, okay? I'm not taking the money. I have to verify the codes, and I have to make sure that you really purchased the car, so I can give you the confirmation code, and the money will be getting in the Internal Revenue Service, Treasury Department. So first of all, did you scratch the cards?
Yeah, I have both of them scratched.
Okay. Verify the numbers.
Okay, the first one is 589 632 514 257 8556.
Can you please repeat it again?
It's 5896 3251 4257 8556.
And can you verify the PIN code?
Yeah, it's 6841.
Okay, the second card. The second card.
Second card shows 5896 5523 158896 47.
Can you please repeat it again?
5896 5523 1588 9647.
And the PIN code?
2207.
And the cards, how much did you upload in both cards?
Each card has $750.
Are you sure the card starts with, did you scratch it? Did you scratch the silver panel?
Yeah, I scratched pretty much the whole thing off.
And the cards, then the digits start with 5896?
Yeah, 5896.
Or 6220?
No, both of them start with 5896.
Okay, just hold the line, okay?
Okay. Are you there?
I'm there, just hold the line, let me talk with my senior officer. Just hold the line for just 2-3 minutes, okay, sir, please.
Okay, do you want me to read back one of the card numbers to you to make sure we got it right, or the PIN code?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first card reads, "You're a fucking scammer, Moderchode," and the second card reads, "Fuck off, Chutia."
Okay.
Was that one able to work for you? Because if that doesn't, that's fine. You can just release the warrant. I'm fine with that. I really can't wait to hear you read out the transcript of this call to the federal jury, and hear you say Chutia out loud in a federal U.S. government court. That'll be quite the interesting event.
What are you saying, sir?
I said, did the other card number I gave you, the one that started with "You're a fucking Moderchode," did that one work? Are you preparing to release the warrant?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Let me know when that warrant's been released. I'm gonna get all my American guns ready for the cops that come try to arrest me. Moderchode Michael back at it again. This time I've got some good old-fashioned American guns to go with it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, be sure to slam that big red subscribe button down below to be the first to know when new videos come out. Throw me a follow on Twitter, hit us up on Discord, all that crap's in the description, and I cannot wait to see you guys again next week, Tuesday, 7 o'clock a.m. Pacific Time sharp. Every Tuesday and Thursday, 7 o'clock a.m. Pacific Time sharp. New videos are released, so we will see you next week.